The first t-shirt is going to be a Bella Canvas 3001, and this is the dark gray. On the t-shirt design, it's going to say Black History, honoring the past, inspiring the future. There's a few different colors going on. You basically have a book that's opened up with a tree kind of like growing, and it's a pretty cool design, a really awesome design. The print came out pretty dang good on this thing. If you look at that. That thing came out really, really good. This is an extra large. Nice print. Everything's good on this one. The next t-shirt is going to be a Metro Blue. This is the Gildan Extra Cotton 2000. It's for luck. You got a rabbit holding a human foot as a keychain. You know, it's like kind of like working the other way around. You know how some people carry a rabbit's foot on their keychain for good luck? It's working the opposite way now. And this is a medium size, and it's that Metro Blue. This is cool because the rabbit it's pretty detailed. The rabbit's really detailed, right? See that? But the print is pretty dang good. It's for luck. This is the organic unisex t-shirt. This is a 2XL. This one, it feels a little bit heavier than the other ones, and it says needs more garlic. Color is navy on this one. A really nice shirt. Yeah, this is nice. This feels a little bit more, it's like a heavier t-shirt compared to the other two, right? Obviously those other two are two different brands, but when it comes to this one just has a little bit of thickness to it, right? And needs more garlic. This one right here I got for my grandpa. He's always saying something when it comes to the food, what it needs more of, and I'm pretty sure he said this phrase a few times, but needs more garlic. If you see the detail on the actual garlic, the face of it, right? The print is pretty good with this one too as well. This one's a 2XL. And the brand on this one is a Stanley Stell, and it says Eat Conscious. This is 100% organic cotton. The blue, the Metro Blue, was 100% cotton. And then the Bella Canvas right here is 100% cotton too as well. So these two are 100% cotton. And then this one right here is the organic cotton. So this one is definitely a little bit more heavier, the organic one, compared to these two. But also this is a 2X, right? And this one's extra large. And then this one is a medium. And this one next is Dog Mom. This is a classic women's crew neck, Gildan 64,000 L. And it's the red with the dog paws and a heart, and then just Dog Mom. The color on this one is a dark heather. This is a large size, and this one is 65% polyester and 35% cotton. So I'm assuming this one's gonna have a little bit more of a stretch. It feels really light, nothing too heavy about this one, just a nice blend. And if you can see, you can kind of see through it just a tiny bit as far as looking at the cotton. Like I can see through that right there as I'm talking to the camera. So give you an idea. Now let's go ahead and try each one of these on so you can get an idea of how they fit, get a little test fit going. And you're gonna see two different people, myself and another person, trying the t-shirts on to give you an idea to see how they fit and give you as the viewer that insight to help you understand everything. So I'll give you an idea. This is the Bella Canvas, right? This is the extra large. Usually this is the size that I would wear. Now with these type of shirts, they do stretch a bit. This is the Black History shirt, so you can see, get an idea. Well, I have big shoulders, so with the bigger shoulders, it's like I always have to go up a size when it comes to any of these like the more of like the tighter fit shirts. And as you can see, let me go ahead and do a full 360 so you can get an idea of the fit, right? The shirt that I had on in this video is a Bella Canvas 3301, and it's an extra large. So just to give you an idea. So when these ones do stretch a bit, but it stays with the Bella Canvas, they stay pretty fit when it comes to their actual t-shirts. Really good quality. One of the most popular t-shirt brands out there when it comes to, you know, creating designs for t-shirts. A lot of people love the style because of the fit and the feel. The next shirt is the navy. This is the organic cotton one. It says needs more garlic. Get an idea of the fit on this one. This is the 2XL. So just give you an idea of me moving around. All right, so get an idea of the fit. This is more not as fitted as the Bella Canvas 3301. This is more of a, you can see right there on the sides, it's a little bit more looser, but the thickness of it, if you like, certain people like certain shirts, right? Certain people are really picky with their shirts. And I know people that will love this shirt, and I know people that will love the Bella Canvas shirt. So it all depends on that personal preference on that individual, because at the end of the day, it's like I said, it's a personal preference. So this shirt is pretty cool too. Now this one's pretty cool too. It's a nice little looser fit, but it does feel good on the skin. I'm like rubbing it on the skin. It does feel good. It's a looser, not like a more fitted t-shirt. This is more of a looser fit. So give you an idea. All right, this is the Dog Mom t-shirt on. So you can get an idea of how the fit looks on right here. So this is the front of it. No, this is the classic women's crew neck. This is the Gildan 64,000. This is one of the best sellers on Gelato.com. And if you look on the front, it says Dog Mom. The dog paws right there. You see like the kind of like the gap between the neck and like the collarbone area, or the little crew neck area, right? So that's the front. We're going to go ahead and turn around, do like a full 360. So go ahead and turn to the side, get an idea from the side, right? See the fit from the side right there, give you an idea. Go ahead, keep going, turning to the back side, right? You can see the shoulders, how it fits there, and then go back all the way around. Go ahead, keep turning. All right, pretty cool. So that is the classic women's crew neck t-shirt, Gildan 64,000 L. That's the dark gray. All right, this t-shirt is the Ultra Cotton Unisex Crew Neck. This is a Gildan 2000 style, and this is the Metro Blue. And on the t-shirt design, it's for luck with the rabbit. Remember the rabbit, the little keychain of a human foot, you know, kind of how humans use the rabbit foot as good luck. The rabbit's doing the same thing with the human foot. So kind of get that funny little pun right there. And that's a front. This one's a little bit more of a looser fit, more of a comfortable fit, right? Which is really cool, because some people, they don't want to wear those tight shirts all the time. They want to wear more of a looser fit. So go ahead in the front. We're going to go ahead and do a 360 view to get an idea of the whole fit itself. See the shoulders, the neck, the front end of it. Come back a little bit more so they can see. There you go. Spin it around. And you can see like the front has a little bit of a more like a loose right there on the front. Right there, it's not so tight. So, and that's a medium size. Now, I've done a video on this t-shirt right here. It says Biggie the Bulldog. I created that design. That is 4 different pictures of our English Bulldog Biggie. He's a really awesome English Bulldog, very cool, very protective, listens. He listens, and he has his ups and downs like any other dog, right? But this t-shirt right here has been washed 4 times, and it's actually been dried on accident 1 time. So I just wanted to show you after the 4th wash, you know, how the actual shirt is holding up. This is a big question that I always get in the community when it comes to print on demand, is how is the shirt after its first wash? Now we're on its 4th wash. And this is a good video. This is some good content inside this video to give you an idea, because we're on the 4th wash and it's still looking pretty good. So go ahead and spin around on that one. Go ahead. All right, so you get an idea of how the t-shirt is. And I'll have the link up above for the actual full review on this actual t-shirt, but just wanted to give you an update on after the 4th wash how it looks. And then maybe I can get Biggie to come over here and say hi to you guys. Biggie's here. This is Biggie. Go ahead, sit, no, sit, stay. Give me your paw, good boy. And that's Biggie. He's 4 years old. And he's a protector, he's a listener, he doesn't listen sometimes. He has a good personality overall though. Good buddy, good boy. He has to go for his walk right now in a bit. Huh, buddy? Say hi, Biggie. He loves pizza, French fries, and pretty much everything that he cannot have. So, but other than that, he eats pretty good, good boy. Feed him really good, he's really healthy. So hi. If you want to watch the full video review on this Biggie, That's My Boy t-shirt, watch this video right here next. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it.